Reggie Empire back at you. You know, I cannot translate the sound that this motherfucker makes. So I'm gonna try to give y'all a oh, let's see, trim up. Try and do this with Alright, here we go. Like a V10. I'll let y'all whoop.